Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: model, OS build, and battery at or above 50% so power loss won't interrupt. Once done, gather the original PIN, password, and linked Google or Apple account credentials because they control encryption keys. Make sure you have any backups available, local or cloud, so you can restore data after repair. Finally, enable USB debugging or prepare recovery mode. This gives you alternate access routes, your setting conditions that let deeper fixes proceed safely and predictably. You'll now work through the core recovery steps. First, connect via ADB or boot to recovery and export crypto headers, key slots, and logs. These reveal why decryption failed. Next, attempt native decryption by supplying the account credentials or restoration keys. This is where you prove ownership and unlock the master key. If that fails, perform a targeted reset that preserves user/data partitions when transportable key slots allow. This minimizes data loss. Make sure to document each command and result for later analysis. To finish, validate that the device boots decrypted, check core apps and files, and restore from backup so your account data returns. If decryption still fails, reflash verified stock firmware and reapply extracted keys or credentials. This often repairs corrupted crypto metadata. Once complete, test encryption by toggling and rebooting twice. If problems persist, collect ADB and recovery logs, avoid random factory wipes, and escalate to the vendor or a professional. That collected evidence is essential for safe, successful recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.